Okay, I'm going out to 2 jobs today. One sounds like a battery, one sounds like a callback. Let's see what's gonna happen. I'll get back to you guys when I get to the service. I'll talk at you. How you doing? It's actually a nice day out today. So the door goes up?
I think well, sometimes it works on this, sometimes it won't.
Okay, let's check out what's going on. You haven't painted it yet, huh?
This thing hasn't been working to close the door lately. I probably will now. Can you tell me how to...
What was the issue you're having?
I usually walk out and hit this button. It won't close. Today it probably will because it hasn't done it for some time now. I see it works now. That's the first time it's done that in a long time.
Sounds like it needs servicing.
I'd say so.
I'm gonna check everything out and then I'll let you know what's going on, but you definitely need service on the door. I could hear it. You need to. I remember doing this door and I filmed it. I remember how quiet it was.
Yeah, I'm a bit concerned about this battery situation.
Yeah, I'll put a brand new one in it.
I'll move the car out for you.
Yeah, and I'll service the opener. I'll do everything so everything's working. But the only bad part is you haven't painted it. You should have put a coat of paint on the outside, semi-gloss on it.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
I think I even remember telling you that.
The thing is, I want to get the whole place painted.
Yeah, to paint this door, they have these things that go on the cans now.
Yeah.
It's like a trigger.
Spray.
Yeah, you could spray. You could just lower it and spray it. Have a brush handy in case it drips.
Well, I'm pleased you think you can fix it because sometimes I can't get in using this.
Well, I'll check all this stuff out. There's a battery in here too. I don't know, but it doesn't go out that quick.
I've never changed that.
Yeah, it's kind of wet in here though. But you have sprinklers or something? No. One time I put a door in for a guy and his door had mushrooms growing on it. It was like rotting. Like a year later, I was changing the bottom panel, this panel. You know, I was saying, how did this door get moldy like this so fast? And then all of a sudden, his sprinklers came on and they were shooting at the door the whole night.
That's what it was.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, I'll move the car out for you, John.
Yeah. I'm gonna change out the battery right here. Take out the little prongs. I always put the negative on first. You'll hear it beep once I hook it up. And then this one here, ready for the beep. And that one. Battery. Door. Just gonna start off by tightening it up. Keypad down or right here. You just push it down, it'll go down. Okay. It was not working. I was pushing it wouldn't work. I had to take it all off.
What was the matter with it?
Okay, $488 is right there. Here's the check. It's $488. Anyway, that was I basically just serviced the door, put a new battery in it. On this door here, I'll show it to you. I did this door for this guy maybe 3-4 years ago. I hung that door and he hasn't painted it yet. It's a wood door. And as I was talking to him, he asked if I could paint it for him. So I told him I charged him $1,000 to paint it. So I'm gonna be coming back here. I felt bad that he hasn't painted. He probably wants to paint it. Once in a while I do things like that. Anyway, I'll show you when I'm painting this door. I'm just gonna spray it. It'll take me a few hours. All right, so on my way to the next job. Talk at you. Anyway, if you do garage doors and you put yourself out there, you're gonna get a lot of calls from a lot of different people. So look, I just got a text just now. Look at this guy here. He just texted me, said customer that has a double and single 3-car garage was talking about getting some doors put in like the picture I sent you. This is the door he sent me right here. These guys need to call you out of nowhere. This is gonna be probably, if he has 2 doors, it's gonna be like probably a $20,000 job. You know, these kind of jobs is what carries you over. You do all these other ones that I'm talking where you make great money, and then you get these kind of jobs that come in too and add to it. And it just puts you over the top as far as money. And you know, if you're gonna try to figure out what customer, right now there's customers out there, they don't even know it yet in their checkbook. It might be 2 or 3 checks from now that they're gonna be writing that to me. Their door hasn't even broke yet. But when it does, I'm gonna be the one that fixes it and I'm gonna be the one that makes the money. Same thing with you guys. You don't have people lined up today to call you. It happens every single day. When garage doors break, there's so many of them breaking that if you're in this business, and you're putting yourself out there, they're going to be calling you, and you're going to be going and fixing them. And once you know how to fix them and how easy it really is, you're going to be going out and making good money to keep your hands clean and do an easy trade that you would probably do for free. I've had people tell me that they would do this job for free. That's how easy it is. But you have to know what you're doing. That's why people call you, because they don't understand how to fix it themselves. That's what we're gonna teach you at the Garage Door Trading School. You're gonna go out there with confidence and fix every single one you go to, and every time you go to someone's house, they're writing you a check for 500 or more, sometimes 1,000, sometimes 5,000. You're getting all these big checks all the time. We're teaching you to be in this business. We don't only teach you the course either. We also teach you how to get into the business as well. We give you price sheets, all that stuff you're gonna need to get into business. It's easy to do, but some people don't know the next step. They think you learn this and then all of a sudden people are calling you, and that's not how it works. So we're gonna show you how it works. You know, we've showed hundreds of people how it works now, and they're out there making money every day, just like I'm doing, and just like everyone else is doing. They're driving around making great money and not working the whole day. Some people want to get into this so they can do 1 or 2 calls, and then that's good. They make 1,000 or 1,500 bucks in between there on 2 calls, and they go home. They don't have to waste their whole day in life working. Some people want to do 5, 6 calls a day, make, you know, $5,000 a day or 4,000 or 5,000 a day. They could do that too. So it really just depends on you and your attitude. If you don't think anyone's going to call you, don't even think of that, because they will be calling you once you know how to do it, and you're going to be wanting to go out there. All you guys that have taken our course, gotten into business, you guys are all making money and realizing that you're never going to work for anybody ever again. You're seeing how the money's coming in. I hear your compliments and I get all your messages. You guys will be the ones that get to the top first. So, I mean, this is a great business. If you guys want to get into it, just hit like and subscribe at the bottom. And if you want to go ahead and sign up, we can teach you how to do it at www.garagedoortradingschool.com. We have a whole curriculum there. We'll show you guys exactly how to do it. You get a lifetime access to it. So even after you're done, if you forget things, you can go back. They have these little modules in there. Like, let's say right now we're going on a cable reset, and I'm new at it. I would say, I forgot which cable I set first, or I forget which way they wrap, or I forget anything about cables. They're all labeled in there. You can go to resetting cables. You can watch a little 5-10 minute video and go, okay, now I remember, and it refreshes my memory. I can do it right in the customer's driveway if I'm unsure. And so it's kind of like having a mentor with you at all times. You can also text us or call us, and we normally respond pretty quick. Unless we're on the phone. We're on the phone a lot, but we always get right back to you, and we can help you out if you forgot anything and you want to get through a job. We'll tell you the right way to do things. Anyway, learn this trade. You won't regret it. It's a great business. You're going to be there to capture it all. www.garagedoortradingschool.com. Don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe. Over and out.